Hello, come back with me Hans Conan. Today, I would like to give you another video tutorial about open source application is LibreOffice. Okay, now I will teach you and technically how to create a table using wizard on base database. Right? Let's open the LibreOffice first. Okay, and then we choose and we select the base database. If you not yet have a base database before, you have to create first the database. Alright, we create, for the example, I create the database for employees data. Alright, next, and then we finish and save. We name it a employees data. I did before, place, and wait to open it. And then we use wizard to create a table. Why we use wizard? Because wizard is automatically have a few tools that we needed, right? A few things that we needed to with example, we make employees data. In this wizard we have the employees, like we need to know the data of the employees. Alright, it's like the city, notes, photo, title, salary, and address, something like that. And then we make tables for the employees. Maybe first we need the name, right? For first name we need, and we select to this field, right? How do we select? First you have to click this one, not this one, because this if you choose this one, it's all of the things in here, it will move to here. Alright, I have to choose this one, first name, select, and then the last name, because we need just necessary things. Alright, and then maybe address, or first birth date, and then address, and then what else here, right? Then city maybe, and then department, employees ID. It's not necessary. Maybe phone number, I'm sorry, back, phone number, and then what else, right? And then fax number, direction is not necessary, employee ID we need there, right? That we choose, and then email address. Okay, that's all that we need, the necessary things that we have to know the employees data. Okay, right? And then we choose next, and then in these things we have to maybe select, and then we change the entry required to yes, because it's very required to fill everything of here. So we change it to yes. Per date, and then yes. Address, yes. City, yes. Phone number, it's not text, we change to number, because phone number is for numerical. And then we make this a space, first name space, we make space, birthday, first employees ID, email address. Okay, that's all that we needed to know the data of employee. And then just yes, auto value. Okay, right, then next. And then we have to choose use and field existing field as primary key. Maybe we just have to add the employee ID, because employee ID we need the auto value, like maybe we fill number one and then the second is automatically get added the auto value. Alright, and finish, and then create a table employees data. We change name employees data. So, and then what we want to do next, just insert data immediately. Finish. We're waiting. Okay, this is the table that we did before, and then we have to fill it every single things of here, right? Maybe first name we made, for example, we made here, right? We made Fauzan Muhammad, birthdays, and then sorry, and then address at Durian Street, and city Ukiah, and phone number we need employee ID is number one, email address Fauzan, for example. Yeah, we make it a big, and then we enter. We go to second data, and then factory Zoel maybe 12 and then Pandan Street, then Solo, then phone number is, for the example, nomor N2, the email factory, and for the example, and we made again until 5. Right, we made the example for until 5. We have 5 employees, and we need to know the data from employees. Okay, Farul Lu, and then Kosukulu Street, and then again number, for example 3, and then Fahrul and then we make again the example Kiki Loli, and then we stay at UMT Street, that Koli number is okay for, then maybe it's enough for us to know the name and the data of our employees. Then we save, and we go back. Yeah, this is the employees data that we create before, we did before. If you want to see, just click twice. Now we see the employees data, right? If you want to edit some a new employees, we can edit again. Or maybe if you want to make a form, if you have a new employee. If you make a form, so now we make a form, go to form and use wizard to create the form. And we're waiting. Yeah, this is the employees data that we did before. It just click this kind to fill this form, right? That's all. And then and this change to here to make like new form in here, and then we next again. We arrange that we need something like that, something like this, right? You can see the example of the table or the form, something like this. Okay, then we next text employees data and finish. Yeah, then we can see this is the employee data that we made before. Okay, maybe like I said before, we have a new employee that come to our company, so we have to make this form. We need save, record, and next, or one else is previews. Okay, we edit the form. How to edit? Click right and select edit. Select edit. We wait, and then we create a push button. Okay, we create push button here, 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 and here. Maybe just three, and then select. We click twice, and then we change the label. This is for previews, and then the label reviews to see the previous data that we have, and then we change the action we need to previous record. Okay, alright, and then we close, and then this one maybe we made next for next button, next for the example, right? Next, and we change the action to next record, and we close, and this one we create a save button, save, then save. We change the save record. Okay, right, that's all that we need to make a form for new employees that to sign our company. Okay, and then we save. Okay, it's saved. We close, and then we click again. We can see the employees data. Okay, we have we have the three button here, new three button, and we next we have new, and new. Yeah, right. Previous. If have a new employees, maybe we can use this form. For example, we made Hans, then Conan, and the birth date is and address at Semangka Street, and then the city is Lampung, and then phone number is okay, right? Employee ID with 5, and then email address hansconan@gmail.com, and then we save. and this automatically come into the database. Okay, and we next maybe make one again. Her fee birth dates 8, and then 99, and then address at Selangor Street, and then the city is Loksu, phone number, alright, employee ID is 6, and then email address harvey@gmail.com, and then we save. And now we can see the employees data that new come to our company. We just close this database, and we go to the employees data again. We can click, and this automatically come to our database. Alright, the form come to our database, something like that. Okay, and then we make a report. After we have data of our employee, we make a report. How to create with report? We close, and then we go to report and use wizard to create the report. Okay, it's like before, just filled our available fields into fields in report, and then next labeling, we go to the labeling fields. First name, birthday, okay, correct, all is correct, and then we go again, grouping is not okay, and then go to sort option. Okay, it's all correct. Just quit, just finish. We need the landscape, correct. Okay, we can see our report. This is our report database or of our employee. Okay, this is, you can see all our data of employee. Yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all that tutorial how to create tables, form, and report from this database using wizard tools wizard. Alright, thank you very much for watching. It's very useful for us, for our company maybe. Thank you. Just wait the another video that I will make to you. I will teach you everything about LibreOffice. Thank you very much, author Hans Konan.